The presence of God within you is the source of all creation. Trust it, and your desires will unfold. Neville Goddard. Have you ever paused to consider the incredible power that resides within you? The very essence of creation lies in your own being, a truth that many overlook. In moments of doubt or despair, it's easy to forget that you are not merely a passenger in this life, you are the driver. Your thoughts and feelings shape your reality in profound ways. Understanding the presence of God within you is the first step toward harnessing this power to manifest the life you desire. The key to unlocking your potential begins with the realization that everything you seek is already within you. Imagine for a moment that all your hopes, dreams, and aspirations are not external entities waiting to be discovered but rather seeds planted deep within your consciousness. When you shift your perception to recognize this internal wellspring, you open the door to limitless possibilities. You possess the ability to create and shape your world through the power of your imagination. Often, we find ourselves trapped in a cycle of negativity, influenced by the external world and its challenges. The noise of everyday life can drown out our inner voice, the one that reminds us of our divine nature. It is essential to cultivate a sense of awareness that allows you to rise above these distractions. Take a moment each day to reflect on your thoughts and feelings. Are they aligned with the life you wish to create? If not, it is time to make a conscious effort to redirect your energy toward what you truly desire. Your imagination is a powerful tool that can transform your reality. When you visualize your goals and aspirations, you are not just daydreaming, you are actively participating in the creative process. Picture yourself living the life you desire, feeling the emotions associated with that reality. This practice of visualization sends a clear message to your subconscious mind, programming it to align with your intentions. The more vividly you can imagine your desires, the more tangible they become in your experience. However, it is vital to approach this process with faith and conviction. Doubt can act as a barrier to manifestation, clouding your vision and hindering your progress. Trust in the power of your imagination and the presence of God within you. Note, you are co-creating your reality with the divine. This partnership requires you to step into your power and think of the belief that you are deserving of all that you desire. Affirmations can serve as a powerful ally on your journey to manifestation. By speaking positive truths about yourself and your life, you reprogram your subconscious mind to reflect those beliefs. Affirmations are not mere words, they are declarations of your divine nature. Use them to reinforce your connection to the presence of God within you. For example, affirm, "I am worthy of love and abundance," or "I am a powerful creator of my reality." Let these affirmations resonate within you, allowing them to become a part of your daily consciousness. Gratitude is another essential component of the manifestation process. When you cultivate a mindset of gratitude, you shift your focus from what you lack to what you already have. This shift in perspective opens the floodgates to abundance and joy. Take time each day to express gratitude for the blessings in your life, no matter how small they may seem. This practice not only elevates your mood but also aligns your energy with the frequency of abundance. As you express gratitude, you invite more of what you appreciate into your experience. Meditation can also play a vital role in connecting you to the divine presence within. Taking time to quiet your mind allows you to tap into the infinite wisdom that resides within. In these moments of stillness, you may receive insights, inspiration, or a deeper understanding of your desires. Regular meditation practice can help you cultivate a sense of inner peace and clarity, enhancing your ability to manifest your intentions. Life is often filled with challenges and obstacles, but it's essential to view these experiences as opportunities for growth. Each challenge presents a chance to learn more about yourself and your desires. Instead of feeling defeated by adversity, think of it as a stepping stone toward your goals. Trust that the presence of God within you provides the strength and guidance needed to navigate any situation. You are equipped with the tools to overcome obstacles and transform challenges into opportunities. As you journey toward manifesting your desires, note to be patient with yourself. The process of manifestation is not always instantaneous. Trust in the timing of your life and the divine unfolding of your path. Sometimes, the universe needs time to align all the pieces in your favor. Stay committed to your vision, and have faith that the manifestation of your desires is on its way. Surrounding yourself with positive influences can significantly impact your ability to manifest. Seek out individuals who uplift and inspire you. The energy of those around you can either enhance or diminish your creative power. By choosing to be in environments that support your growth, you reinforce your connection to the presence of God within you. Thinking about the present moment is crucial to the manifestation process. Often, we become consumed with thoughts of the future or regrets about the past, which distract us from the power of now. The present moment is where your energy and intention reside. Focus on what you can do today to align with your desires. Each small action taken in the present contributes to the larger picture of your life. Celebrate your progress, no matter how incremental it may seem. The act of letting go is a powerful component of manifestation. Holding on to past experiences, limiting beliefs, or negative emotions can hinder your ability to create the life you desire. Release what no longer serves you, whether it be toxic relationships, self-doubt, or unproductive habits. Trust that by letting go, you make space for new opportunities to enter your life. The presence of God within you encourages growth and transformation. Allow yourself to evolve and think of the new possibilities that await. One of the most transformative aspects of this journey is the realization that you are not alone. The divine presence within you is a constant source of support and guidance. Whenever you feel lost or uncertain, turn inward and connect with that presence. Trust that you are being guided toward your highest good. The universe is conspiring in your favor, and by aligning with your inner divinity, you attract the circumstances and people that will support your journey. As you continue to cultivate this understanding of your divine nature, you will likely notice shifts in your external reality. The changes may not always be dramatic. Sometimes, they manifest as subtle shifts in perspective or new opportunities that arise unexpectedly. Pay attention to these moments, as they are confirmations of your growing awareness of the presence of God within you. Trust that you are on the right path, and continue to nurture your connection to the divine. In moments of doubt or fear, remind yourself of the truth of your existence. You are a unique expression of the divine, and your thoughts and feelings shape the reality around you. You possess the power to manifest your desires, but it requires consistent effort, belief, and faith in yourself and the process. Think of your role as a creator and recognize the incredible potential that lies within you. The power of love is another vital element in this journey. Love is the highest frequency, and when you operate from a place of love, you naturally attract abundance and joy into your life. This love begins with self-acceptance and compassion. Treat yourself with kindness, acknowledging your strengths and weaknesses. As you cultivate self-love, you radiate that energy outward, creating a ripple effect that enhances your connections with others and the universe. Take time to explore and connect with your passions. Engaging in activities that bring you joy and fulfillment allows you to express your authentic self. Whether it's through art, music, writing, or any other form of expression, tapping into your creativity connects you to the divine presence within. It reminds you of the infinite possibilities available to you and enhances your ability to manifest your dreams. Note, manifestation is not about forcing outcomes or controlling circumstances. It is about aligning your energy with your desires and allowing the universe to unfold in its own time. Trust in the divine timing of your life. Your journey is uniquely yours, and every experience is an opportunity for growth. Think of the process and celebrate your evolution as a creator. As you deepen your understanding of the presence of God within you, you will find that the world around you begins to reflect this inner truth. The more you align with your divine nature, the more your external reality shifts to match your inner state. Your life becomes a reflection of your thoughts, beliefs, and feelings. As you cultivate a positive mindset, you will attract experiences that resonate with that frequency. Note to share your journey with others. As you embody the principles of manifestation and the presence of God within, your energy inspires those around you. Your transformation can serve as a beacon of hope for others who are seeking their own path to empowerment. Encourage others to recognize the divine within themselves and support them in their journey. Together, you can create a world where everyone acknowledges and thinks of their creative power. In conclusion, the presence of God is indeed within you, waiting to be acknowledged and thought of. The journey to manifesting your desires begins with recognizing this divine essence and harnessing it through your thoughts, feelings, and actions. By cultivating awareness, practicing gratitude, and engaging with your imagination, you can unlock the limitless potential within. Trust in your ability to create the life you desire, and note that you are never alone on this journey. You are a powerful creator, and the universe is at your side, ready to support you in manifesting your dreams. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with others who might benefit from these teachings. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more content on unlocking your inner power and manifesting your dreams. Your support helps us continue to create valuable content for you. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to like it and let us know in the comments how these teachings have impacted your life. Subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. We appreciate your support.